gracious to have you, man. So, we have an award for Jana from Malta. I gave her the crown of the CIS Award. So, yes, this award, it's an employee. An employee who have a strong sense of inner peace. Wow, inner peace talaga. And who are able to maintain their calmness even in the face of chaos. Wow! Okay.
Parang magpapaliri.
So next, this one is given to Evelyn Martina. I've given the Initiator Award. Yeah, guys. And in this award, for the employee who always takes initiative and leads the team to success. Okay?
Yay!
So next,
Ay, ako pa.
Ako brava.
okay, so
Balikan mo ang gulo ng chat.
So, the next award, this is for the Optimist Award. Yeah. He is an employee proactive and solution-oriented, always looking for ways to improve the process and find opportunities in difficult situations. And this award is given to none other than Russell Clark Quinto. Okay. Next. She's not here, but the award is for the Mountain Mover Award. So this is, she's an employee who consistently tackle and conquer the biggest challenges and obstacles in their organization. Sino sa tingin nyo? Sino?
Initiative award.
The Mountain Mover Award goes to Jesseline Villaruel.
Tika lang nga pala mataas yung lugar nila doon sa Spraken High, di ba? Di ba? Sa may langgam yun eh.
Okay. So, later na ito. I'll go to the next. Ito. Wala kasi. Okay. For the Helping Hand Award. Sino? Helping Hand Award. Always supporting
Si
their colleagues
Ian.
in need, providing assistance and encouragement without hesitation. This
Lamib.
is for Elizabeth Harpoon.
Ah.
Okay, congrats, Chai. You deserve it. And this is for the employee who know. Palit na kayo, baka nakumakain. Sorry.
Lumamig yung ano ko. Lumamig yung sabaw ko.
O, sige na.
Okay, for an employee who know what to eat, how to make healthy food choices,
Okay.
and where to go for information. For the Food Savvy Award goes to Richard Sari Caballes.
Yay! Ayan.
Okay. For the last award that is here today, she's an employee who is chronically late, often arriving after the start time, but with a sense of urgency, reminiscent of the White Rabbit from Alice in Wonderland. The White Rabbit Award is for Mary Ann Senson.
May kasama pang okray na.
I love you. Love kita, alam mo yan. Okay. The next award for the one employee who always wants to leave as soon as their shift is over. You know who he is? The 3 and an Out Award belongs to John Alexis Castillo. Pagpatak ng alas 3, Honda. Okay. And this award is for a team player who are able to effectively communicate and contribute to group project and initiatives. The Collaborator Award is hereby given to Paul Jordan Ignacio.
Yay!
Congrats, PJ. Even you're not here. Okay, thank you so much guys. Kahit wala kayo, I'll be forwarding in our listing. Thank you.